All right, well, welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and on this episode, we're going to be talking about the Stage 3 upgrades for the Axial SCX24 C10, so stay tuned. All right, well, welcome back. So yes, we're going to talk about the Stage 3 upgrades we have done. As you can see, we still have the tire mounted there. We have not mounted the tire here because we will eventually do that, but we're going to worry about that later. We just want to see what the difference in performance with that extra weight up top. But let's talk about the upgrades. So we have installed Derricks double barrel shocks, right? These are the 43 millimeter ones. They're not the 48s, but they're the 43 millimeters. But I mean, look at that drop. Now, we didn't install the springs. We left the springs off. With putting the springs on, it sat like pretty much like a monster truck height. So we didn't really want to have it set there. We wanted it more that lower CG. So that's how we did that. Now, the next part of the Stage 3 is we installed the front hot racing diff cover you can see right there. And with that diff cover, this is only 5 grams of a diff cover. So that's all we really wanted to add to the front on that. And then also, if you see right here, we have the hot racing steering linkage. So that's aluminum linkage. It's not the brass, it's the aluminum linkage. And we got that installed. So that's what we did for the Stage 3. We also did that on the other C10. We did the orange shocks where we did the green ones last time. We did orange shocks on that one. And we also have the hot racing 5 gram diff cover there. And we have the steering linkage from hot racing, the aluminum ones. So that's what we got. So that's Stage 3. You guys stay tuned for some shorts on run videos on them. They're going to be awesome. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.